We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So, are you feeling the Christmas spirit yet?
Yes, I do.
Doesn't seem like it. Oh my god, we have so many Christmas decorations and we call ourselves minimalists. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Deck the halls with bright and holly, tra la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, tra la 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 la. Hello and welcome back to Vlogmas number 2. If you are not horrified by my singing, please remain with me in this video. And in this video we are decorating the house. Well, not all of the house, but this place where I am filming the Vlogmas for you. And oh my god, we have so many decorations. I didn't expect so many boxes. I don't know what it is with so many boxes. I thought we had less. But then again, when you are putting that in the Christmas tree, they are not seen so much, right? So please leave it in the comments. How many decorations do you have? And speaking of decoration, did you know this, like I said in the previous video, that this year it was something in the air. People just started decorating their homes and even the towns in the mid of November. I think it's in the air, this need of celebration, this need for joy and this need of escape our current situation. So this is why I embarrass myself singing in front of the camera, because I want to bring in your house some joy or a little smile. Even if you are laughing at me of my singing, I don't mind. If I made you laugh, all for the better. Flavis is in the mood of Christmas also, and I'm for sure in the mood of decorating this beautiful, beautiful space here. And since last year, when I started doing the Vlogmas, this is my second year of Vlogmas, I really enjoyed all the process. And yes, it helped my channel grow, and this is one of the reasons that I'm doing Vlogmas, but also because it brings in our home a little bit of happiness. And I want to share this with you, and thank you in advance for watching my videos. Now let's get back to Christmas and decorating. Let's see what do we actually have here and go through some of the decoration, and then we are going to start the actual process. What I like to put here on this table, they are the plants, the flowers that I brought from Lidl. I really like to have fresh flowers, and especially these flowers, poinsettia, which is the Christmas flower, and I really hope it lasts until Christmas. And also I bought these ones that you saw in the previous videos. I really like them because Flavius doesn't let me put up the big tree right until the 15 or 20 of December. Well, here in Romania it's also a problem because you don't really find Christmas trees, natural Christmas tree to buy such early in December. So I'm going to make do with these ones. They are little and cute, and oh my god, they were so cheap. You know what brings me joy when I buy something? It's not really the actual product, but it's the product that I bought, a good quality product that I like, but I like to buy them at a fair price. And if I get a bargain, oh my god, I'm so happy. More happy about the bargain than the actual thing itself. I think that this is not a disorder, but I think it's a thing, right? Especially I think in America, I don't know, but this has a name. I really like the feeling when you get a bargain, right? Of course, this serves, I put here a candle and it lights up. I don't do that because I'm afraid to set the house on fire, but you could do that. And let's see what we have here. Oh my god, I have these ones. These ones here, I really like these ones. These were a present, and They are so cute, look, so cute. And these ones are staying here on one side of the table and the other one on the other side here. And they are so cute. And last year I even put one right here because I don't know, it's good decor. I really like it. Also, I have this baby right here. This one I like to keep by my side. I put him here, and when I'm going to turn the camera, you are going to see him right next to me on the sofa. And I also like this one. This one is a remembrance of our first Christmas in this house, like 5 or 6 years ago. Oh my God, 5 or 6 years ago. How time flies. I bought this. I remember that it was after we renovated the house and we didn't had any more money. We moved here in this house like in July, and by Christmas we just didn't find you know, the means to recuperate ourselves financially. And I remember I bought this because I said that okay, we have to celebrate Christmas, and we didn't have much decoration. Everything that you see here, it's bought after we moved here because I wanted everything to be new, you know, a new start. And yes, we bought this. And even if those months were kind of tough financially speaking, I'm so glad that we renovated this house in the way that we did. And now it's my favorite house in the whole world, and it's mine, you know. I mean, the Portugal house is going to become my favorite house after we renovate it. And this is why one of the reasons why we don't renovate now, because I want to do it properly. So this one is special to me. This one sits on the couch that I'm watching TV. Here where you see the TV, this fireplace, I like the sound of it. It puts me in the Christmassy mood. By the way, you find this one on Netflix. And I'm sure that it's not only in Romania. So this fireplace that you are seeing here, put on the TV, and these sounds, you find it on Netflix. This one is going to go around the table. I'm going to get some scotch and put this around the table. So this I need. Look, my Christmas costume. So last year, if you watch my Vlogmas, I bought a very cheap, the cheapest costume for Santa, and I filmed the whole vlogs dressed in this costume. It was very practical because I didn't have to worry about my outfit, so I had that. And I think I'm going to use it this time around, and I think I look rather okay-ish. And for sure I look festive. And it's in the mood with this whole video, right? Because if you are laughing right now, good, this was my intention. So I'm going to keep this, I think. Maybe more like that? Maybe not. So this one over here has to go over here. This is our table, dining room table, where people, normal people, actually eat, but we keep all sorts of papers, and everything that you see here is Flavius. This we brought from Lidl yesterday, but everything apart from that is Flavius. And we have an understanding, me and Flavius, that every Christmas, starting the 1st of December, he has to clean up this table. He has to clean up in order for me to be able to put the centerpiece and the Christmas decoration and everything. And now it's again time for him to clean this table. But guess what? Guess what? Every year, without exception, this table goes back to being this messy, kind of like in February. But at least we have 1 month in which our house looks like the house should look. Scissor and some glue for this, and let's get down to business. Oh my God, I hope YouTube is not gonna flag my songs, you know. This with let's get down to business is quite a renowned one, and I don't think I sing that good in order to be recognized by YouTube, but you never know what career I missed. Well, I know that I don't have a voice, so it was definitely not the singer career that I missed. Perhaps something else, but no, not the singer one. Off this glue, it doesn't want to. You know, when you are thinking of buying cheap scotch, just remember this. It's not worth it. Just buy the expensive one. Buy the expensive one. Victory! Oh, and I had it. I had it. Oh my God. Is it just me or is it all of us? How does it look? I hope it looks okay. Let's move on. Look what I found. This one has lights. I knew it was somewhere and it blinks. It's going to look amazing when we are going to sit in the evening and watch TV. And with this, I really like those things that have batteries here. You don't have to plug in anything, and those batteries are from last year. I don't think we changed them, and they are normal cheap batteries. I like this Christmas tree. Wonderful. Did I tell you that this year I want everything to be festive, like everything? I don't know, I never felt in the mood of celebrating Christmas like I am this year. So I want every day to be about Christmas and do something different, you know? And this is decorating day phase 1, because when we are going to decorate with the Christmas tree and everything, that is the main decorating day that Flavius enjoys. But this is like a pre-decorating phase only for me. Today, 2 of December, and 2 of December, I'm late to the game this year. I'm late to the game. And voila! It's ready. Well, it's something missing. Just a second. This is like a sparkling wine. Who is on the channel for a long time knows that I like fizzy sparkling wine. And of course, this is the season of sparkling wine, mulled wine, fizzy wine, and this is what was missing. And this, along with other bottles, comes here. Voila! Now this scenery is complete. See you tomorrow. Bye!